10 scriptural facts of God's election. 10 scriptural facts of God's election. In 1 Thessalonians chapter 1 verse 4. Knowing, brethren beloved, your election of God. Now, before I tell you the 10 scriptural facts, let's define what is election. Election is the gracious and the free act of God by which He calls those who become part of His kingdom, and He made them to be special beneficiaries of His love and blessing. What is election? Election is God's working of bringing people into His salvation, which is in Christ Jesus, and also putting certain individuals to some office to perform certain special service for Him. Now, number one, the scriptural facts of divine election. Number one, it is God's doing. Romans 8:29. It is God doing. Those He has predestinated to conform to the image of His Son. Number two, God has done it. Election is not what God is going to do. He has done it. He has chosen us in Christ before the foundation of the world. That's what you have in Ephesians 1, verses 3, 4, and 6. Number 3, God did it according to His will. Romans 9, 11, verses 15 and 16. God said, I will show mercy to whom I will show mercy. Number 4, it is according to His predeterminate counsel. Romans 8, 29. And number 5, it is not of works of the elect. None of us did anything to deserve being elect. Romans 9, 11. It is purely of grace. Romans 11 verses 5 and 6. Then number 6, it is by grace. Romans 11, 5. Number 7, it is for His glory. Romans 9:23. And number 8, it is to conform to the image of His Son and bear the image of the glory of Christ. The reason why we are elected is that we all might come to the fullness of becoming like Jesus and also displaying His glory. And number 9, it is to do predestined works. There are good works God had predestined for us to do according to Ephesians 2:10. And lastly, number 10, it is not for Christians to be complacent and presumptuous. No, it is not for us to be boasting around that I'm God's elect. Rather, it is for us to make our calling and our election to be sure by growing in godliness and responding to God with gratitude in our hearts. Beloved, to know more about destiny. Destiny is deep. God has commanded me to bring the saints of God together to be trained in an intensive training, equipping for destiny. It's coming up in August 9 to 16. A whole week. Yeah, be there. Please, for details, click the link below. God bless you.